Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Just recently installed my Lingo biosensor for glucose monitoring and sharing some of my experiences and notices, as well as some questions that I have so I can learn. The thing about this app that I like and want to make sure I have time to actually go back and look at is the logging section. So you can log food, exercise, and other events and correlate those with peaks or valleys in your glucose level. So when I first started this journey, I was like, okay, I probably want to log things so I can remember what I'm eating and maybe have a little bit of a notebook or something. Hey, the app has it built in there. You can log food. It lets you choose between meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack. Then you can enter the item, type it in, press enter, and then you can enter multiple food items in one entry. You can choose the time when you consumed this food, and then if you want it to go be logged in there. So you can do that for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. Obviously, the more things that you log, the more you're going to be able to correlate if that is causing some kind of response in your body for your glucose to go up, etc. So super handy. You also have your exercise section. Here, you can enter the time that started the exercise and then type in whatever that is, walk, run, weightlifting, biking, etc., and then the duration that you did that activity. This can be really helpful of seeing, okay, I had a spike and once I exercise it goes down, or when I'm exercising hard it's going to go up. Good way to kind of track your body's response to things. And then you have the other, I'll sometimes throw in things that are, maybe different than what I normally do. If I go get massage at the massage bed at Planet Fitness, I might put that in there just to kind of track that. Things like that, or like when I first lay down at night, even if I'm not sleeping yet, to see if that correlates with a drop. So just you can log some different events. You might have something that's super stressful, like a presentation at work, that you want to log and see what did that look like? Does high stress make my glucose levels go up? So the more you enter into these, the more you're going to be able to correlate that. Obviously, you can still look at the graphs and kind of guess, oh, that's when I ate lunch, that's when I ate dinner. But if you go back and you can look, okay, when I have this type of food or this combination of foods, I see this spikes, or actually this doesn't really go up as much as I thought. It can be really helpful. I do have to make sure I make time to actually go back and look at that, because if you don't go back and look, then you're just logging things for the heck of it and not actually seeing what's going on. So you can look at the graphs and it has them laid out, all of the entries that you logged. So you can look and say, okay, food, here's what it was. You can scroll through, find those peaks and be like, okay, what did I have? Right? Wow, whenever I have whatever it is, rice goes up a lot. Something to note. Might want to get some movement in after, or maybe sub that out. Depends on what you're doing. So entries in the Lingo app, super helpful, help you correlate things. It's very user-friendly, food, exercise, and other. Track as much as you can so you can correlate that and actually make that meaningful use of that data. These biosensors last 14 days, and they're not super cheap. They're about $40 like on Amazon. So I'm trying to log as much as I can, because I don't think this is something that I will probably do, every day of the month over month. But it is something that's been very insightful, so I want to make sure to log as much as I can. But having that right in the app makes it easy, user-friendly, and I can then correlate and get as much out of it as I can. What questions do you have? What's been your experience, and what tips do you have? Leave those in the comments below. I'm going to be sharing some other videos about my experience using Lingo. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Here's to life and fitness. Peace out.